Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naila Dwi Safira Marwa from TBI 1 class. Okay, here I will explain my literature review with the title Utilization of Vlogs as Media to Improve Student Speaking Skills in English Language Learning. Okay, the first I will explain the background. The use of digital tools in language learning has grown significantly, with vlogging becoming an innovative way to develop student speaking abilities. Vlog provide learners with authentic context to practice English through, through recording and sharing their speech. The motivation for choosing this topic lies in exploring how this real-world medium enhance fluency, engagement, and confidence in speaking, especially among Indonesian students where technology is increasingly integrated into education. And then for the next, I will explain the methodology of the SLR. Okay, the study adopted a systematic review approach by following these key steps. The first, search strategy. 10 studies from Indonesian contexts were selected, covering various educational levels, example, vocational schools, high schools, and universities. Okay, the inclusion criteria, the first, focus on the use of vlogs to improve English speaking skills. And then the second, research conducted in Indonesia. And then the third, published studies with identifiable objectives, methodology, and findings. And then the exclusion criteria, the first, studies that didn't focus on speaking skills or didn't involve vlog-based learning. And then the second, research outside the Indonesian context. And then for the next, the synthesis method. The first, both qualitative and quantitative studies were included, action research, quasi-experiments, and observational studies, mixed method research, and literature review. And then the second, data were compiled into tables listing authors, years, objectives, research method, and findings. And then the third, common patterns, example, increased fluency, confidence, and motivation were identified and compared. Okay. For the next, the key findings. The review of 10 studies highlighted several consistent outcomes. The first, fluency and confidence. Students become more fluent and confident speakers after participating in vlog-based activities. For example, one study reported an increase in speaking scores from 63% to 92%. And then the second, motivation and engagement. Vlogs help students feel more motivated to speak and more engaged in the learning process. And then the third, performance comparison. Vlog users outperformed peers in traditional classrooms. And then the fourth, pronunciation and grammar. Improvement in pronunciation, grammar, and even public speaking skills were noted. And then the fifth, student enjoyment and authenticity. Students enjoyed using technology and vlogs provided real-world communication experiences. Even with some initial challenges, example, technical limitation or nervousness, vlog integration led to overwhelmingly positive results across educational contexts. And then the conclusion. The systematic review concludes that the first, vlogs are effective educational media for improving English speaking skills. And then the second, they encourage student-centered learning, boost creativity, and facilitate authentic interaction. And then the third, vlogging transform conventional classroom speaking practice into dynamic and engaging learning experiences. And then the fourth, this method is especially relevant for the digital era and can be implemented across multiple levels of education in Indonesia. Okay, this is the mind mapping and the reference. Okay, guys. Okay, maybe that's it for me. Forgive me if I have many mistakes. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.